Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the latest Wear OS 7 update for the Pixel Watch, and I've got to say, it's a game changer. The new update is based on Android 17 and it's rolling out to the Pixel Watch 2, 3, and 4, including both the Bluetooth/Wi-Fi and LTE models. To get the update, you can go to your watch's settings, then system updates, and tap the screen multiple times to initiate the download. You can also speed up the process by disabling Bluetooth and using Wi-Fi instead. Now, let's talk about the design and build of the Pixel Watch. It's still the same as before, but the new update brings some significant improvements to the overall performance. The watch is still made of high-quality materials and it feels premium in the hand. The display is also very good, it's bright and vibrant, and it's perfect for navigating through the different menus and apps. Now, let's talk about the specs and performance. The Pixel Watch is powered by a fast processor and it has plenty of storage and RAM. The watch also has a long-lasting battery, and it can easily last for a day and a half on a single charge. The new update brings some significant improvements to the performance. It's faster and more responsive, and it can handle multiple tasks at the same time. Now, let's talk about the new features. The update brings a new feature called Remote Media Routing, which allows users to manage audio and video output devices from their paired Android phone using their Wear OS watch. This feature is very useful. It allows users to quickly switch between different output devices, such as Google Cast devices, Bluetooth headphones, and other smart displays and speakers. Another new feature is the integration of emergency sharing with loss of pulse, car crash, and fall detection. This feature automatically notifies your emergency contacts when a hard fall, loss of pulse, or severe car crash is detected on your Pixel phone or watch. The update also brings some improvements to the Raise to Talk feature on the Pixel Watch 4. It's now more robust and accurate thanks to an improved gesture model. Now, let's talk about some rumors and leaks. There are some rumors that Google is working on a new Pixel Watch model, which will have a larger display and a longer-lasting battery. However, these are just rumors, and we don't know anything about it yet. The expected release date and price of the new Pixel Watch model are not known yet, but we'll keep you updated as soon as we get more information. In my verdict, the Wear OS 7 update is a significant improvement over the previous version. It brings some new features and improvements to the performance. The Pixel Watch is still one of the best smartwatches on the market, and the new update makes it even better. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch, I would definitely recommend the Pixel Watch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech content. We'll catch you in the next video.